It's Asif. Today I am here for to express my opinion that I had from Spoken English Gold course, which was led by Entri team. First of all, I thank to all my mentors who aided me with improve my English and self confidence as well. Uh, they all are absolutely mesmerizing, absolutely fabulous. Uh, I'm really like this course, and you can join this course at very low price, and you could have speak English better. So let me tell my story. It was first be in the beginning of coronavirus. I thought that the importance of English in our daily life, and I see many websites and YouTube as well for how to improve English and how to learn English, like so. Meanwhile, I've got a ad. You might be curious about what the ad was. Uh, that ad was Entri Spoken English. I'm really fascinated to it. Then I immediately download the app and joined. Uh, it's very fabulous. I'm really like that. It aided me with a lot to improve my English. So I have been learning English for 6 months. I have been learning English for 6 months. Now I have only few days to finish my course. So uh, I recommend you to join this course that you could have speak English better. So I'm really joyful that because I can speak with anyone. We speak with anyone without any hesitation, with very confidence. So you can join this course. So be better, be fluent in English. Good luck. Thank you very much to all my trainers, mentors, and all my dear friends. Oh, I forgot to tell that it's not matter that you are a student or whether you are a working man or whether you are a teacher or any other. It's not any matter. You can join whether whatever you are. So good luck. Join this course and be fluent in English. Thank you.